Here's a little bit larger parcel of Australian Opal from Lightning Ridge. These are examples of Nobbies. They're fairly clean, as you can see. Not a lot of clay on them. The rules and millimetres. The material's been wetted. You can see here on some of the stones this white, which is the reflection of the lights. We'll just go in a bit so you get a better look. Okay, I've just zoomed in, haven't moved the pieces, so you can refer back to the beginning of the video for the position. Use the ruler as an indication of size. This material varies a little bit. There's a few pieces of honey potch amongst it. This piece here, got quite a large hole in it, unfortunately. This material is quite often sought after because it has a sun flash in it. Till you grind it down a little bit, it'll be hard to tell. And good pieces are quite often faceted. Might even find a piece or two of fossils. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed looking at that. Cheers.